This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much to build a pool. Let's dive into the key factors that determine the overall cost of your dream backyard oasis. Building a new pool can be a significant investment, typically ranging from $30,000 to $60,000. We'll explore how different choices, from the type of pool to its features, influence this price tag, helping you budget effectively for your project. When considering a new pool, the type you choose plays a huge role in the final cost. Fiberglass pools, for instance, usually fall between $45,000 and $85,000. Vinyl liner options are often more budget-friendly, typically $35,000 to $65,000. For ultimate customization, concrete or Unite pools start around $50,000 and can easily exceed $100,000, depending on complexity. Beyond the pool type, several other factors significantly influence the total cost. The size and depth of your pool directly impact material and labor expenses. Don't forget about exciting additions like heating systems, custom lighting, or elaborate landscaping, which can add thousands of dollars. Crucial initial costs also include site preparation, such as excavation, and securing all necessary permits and adhering to local regulations. Building a pool is just the beginning. Remember the ongoing costs. Annual maintenance, including chemicals and cleaning, typically runs from $500 to $1,500. You'll also see an increase in utility bills for electricity and water, potentially several $100s each month. Factor in occasional repairs or equipment upgrades over the years, and be aware that your home insurance premiums might also see a slight adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.